Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make Denny's French toast, updated. Preheat a skillet to medium heat while you prepare the batter. Beat eggs with milk, vanilla, and cinnamon until smooth, then soak bread briefly but thoroughly. Melt butter in the pan and cook slices until golden brown on both sides. Keep cooked toast warm in a low oven and serve with syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar for diner-style comfort. Moderate soaking and consistent heat make the difference for diner-style French toast. Use a shallow dish to submerge each slice for about 20 to 30 seconds per side, depending on thickness. Whisk the eggs and milk until just combined and slightly frothy to trap lightness. Cook over medium heat and watch closely for a deep golden crust. Transfer finished slices to a warm platter to keep them soft and inviting. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers make meal prep and leftover French toast transport effortless and mess-free, perfect for reheating on busy mornings. They stack neatly and seal securely so syrup and toppings stay put, which I find hilarious when I rush out the door. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Serve Denny's-style French toast warm with classic toppings like butter and syrup, or add berries and whipped cream for freshness. Small tweaks like orange zest or a pinch of nutmeg elevate the flavor without complicating the recipe. For a more custardy center, choose brioche and increase the egg proportions slightly when mixing the batter. Plate thoughtfully and offer lemon or powdered sugar on the side for guests who prefer tang or extra sweetness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.